Hello my friends, you're on Andrei Mikhailovich channel. Right now you can see Chromebook Lenovo ThinkPad 11. I paid for it about $46. The price is very low. It have 4 cores, 4 gigabytes RAM and on memory 16 gigabytes. Today I want to show gaming test, but all the apps I install from the Play Market. All the apps are free. Important thing that I installed the apps was support by gamepad. Also I want to apologize about my English, it's only my third language. So before I start the gaming, I want to connect the charge to give maximum performance this Chromebook. The mouse right now is also connected to our Chromebook and we need to connect our gamepad. Gamepad is a GameSeer T4 Pro. It's very nice gamepad, exactly look like Xbox One gamepad. So we have to connect our gamepad and I will launch the first game. Right now I install 5 games on this Chromebook. Asphalt 8, Asphalt 9, Oddmar, Dead Trigger and Dead Effect. It don't have a lot of memory, so I think it will be enough for today. Yes, I turn off the song and we'll launch the first game. I just want to start the race. Okay, play. Start race. Let it started. Oh, we start the race. Okay. Oh, let's go. The gameplay is very good. I don't see any lags or freeze. You know, playing on the Chromebook Asphalt is a good experience because I thought it will be much worse. So how you see the game running? Okay, I win this run, so I think it will be enough about this game. I will run Asphalt 9 in the end of the video. 2D game platformer, Oddmar. The spoiler, this game is very good optimized for the Chromebook. It will run better than Asphalt 8. So also it have support of the gamepad and it's very good news for us. Okay, right now we can see that we can jump, attack some birds. By the way, I very love indie games. Okay, how you can see the game runs very well. We can see about 60 FPS without lags, without freeze. If you want to play a game with a big world, with a nice story and with pretty good graphic, you can download Oddmar. I think it's enough for playing this game. Let's run another game. Oh, Dead Trigger 2. The game is pretty old, but it good optimized for Chromebooks also. We play Dead Trigger 2. So, oh, it's automatic attack the zombie. The Trigger, it's how I remember, it's the game who was released only on Android. Okay. So, how I can fire? Could I fire? Exactly, I don't understand when it's fire or it's automatically fire. So, about the game. It's run also good without lags. I think right now we can see about 45 FPS, maybe 50 FPS. it's a good experience. About that Trigger 2, you can't play this game on Windows. Probably if you launch or download and install some emulator, you can do this. But why you need to download some emulator to play games if you can buy a Chromebook? I want to remember you that I buy this Chromebook and I pay for it about $46. It's a very low price. Let's run the next game. How you see that Trigger also works very well. I don't play this game anytime. It's probably the first time I launch this game, but I read the information that this game also support gamepads. So we will see. And I want to say also about the Chromebooks. Some people in internet writing information that they don't have Play Market, and it's not strange the situation for me because I have 5 Chromebooks and some of them, sorry, 6 Chromebooks. I have 6 Chromebooks and some of them have Play Market, some of them don't have Play Market. It's how I see about the requirements of the laptop. If the laptop is the newest, I mean it have a good CPU, it will have a Play Market. If the laptop don't have good CPU, it wouldn't have the Play Market. So fellas, let's try to play this game. Probably I don't understand what's happening right now, but this game it have about 2 gigabytes in Play Market, so it's quite big and large game. I think so. Oh, I think I need to go no, not here. Oh, I see. Oh, it's probably looks like Doom Eternal. I know it's funny to hear that, but I think it's look like Doom Eternal. But I don't see any monster right now. Oh my god, it's the first monster. So, oh, put my hand, okay. How you see, this game run also quite good. It don't have any problems. I can shoot. Okay, let's fire someone. Man, it's really look like Doom Eternal. I think it's like a Doom Eternal. Fire him. How to fire? Why I can't fire it? Oh, it's just ridiculous. Oh, I need it. But I can't fire. It's ridiculous. I can't. How you see, the game is not a good optimized. I can walk, but I can't fire. Look, the second zombie is what he doing. Also, I will do the video how to play games without Play Market. We can launch the next game. That effect we also launch Asphalt 8. So the last game for today will be Asphalt 9. I remember when this game was updated on Android. I have a smartphone LG G8, and the first time it can't run this game. I remember it. So let's launch it on the Chromebook and see what will happen. So friends, let's see how Asphalt 9 will run on this Chromebook. Let's start the run. Oh, right now the first that I see, it's run pretty good, really, but the graphic quality, it's very slow. Oh, right now I see the pixels or what it was. The graphic quality is very bad. It's it's like the game from 2000. I don't know, like something like Half-Life, the graphic, or no, Half-Life it's a good graphic, but actually I could change the graphic settings, but the game will have many lags and freeze. It's the last game for today, so I will try another run. Also, I want to say, not all Chromebooks have Play Market, but all the Chromebooks have Web Store. So you can install many apps and also some games from the App Store. Now, how you see, everything is work quite smoothly, without lags, without freeze. Asphalt 9 on the Chromebook, man. But the graphic could be much better. So let's try to have the first place in this race. So guys, it was the last game for today. You can play games on Chromebook. The people who buy Chromebooks, they don't buy it for gaming. Very good for work, for YouTube, for social media. So guys, for the end of the video I want to say, I like Chromebooks. Also, I want to apologize for my English. If you like this video, please like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon, friends. Bye bye.